my head so 20 candles, blow 'em out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our.
Okay, so to make buffalo dip, you will need some chicken, cream cheese, ranch, your choice of hot sauce, and some sharp cheddar cheese. And that's it. Oh, also you need a pan and boil water. Okay, so what you want to do is boil a pot of water. Well, you don't have to boil it, just... Okay, so what you want to do is put the chicken in the pot and just let it boil. Okay, so you just let it boil for like, let's say about 30 minutes. Okay, so after about an hour, this is how it should look. And you're just gonna take out the chicken and just set it aside. Just set it aside. You can like do this. If it just peels and it's not red or anything, that means it's all cooked. Good. So just gonna take them out. And I'm just gonna set it aside to cool. And once it's cooled down a little, I'm going to start shredding it. And make sure you rinse this out, because you will be using this pan again. Okay, so after the chicken is cool, you can just either take your finger and shred it, or you can take a fork and do it. So I'll just use fork. You'll put all the shredded chicken back in the pot with no water in it. It should just be chicken, that's it. Don't worry if your chicken is dry. It won't be dry after you add everything. Okay, so after you shredded all your chicken, this is how it should look. Now I just want to turn the pot on to... I just put it at medium, and then you want to pour. You want to have a 12 ounce and just pour the whole thing. Use the whole thing. And I have a 16 ounce, but I'm only using this much right here. I'm sorry I didn't record, but you just pour in the hot sauce, the whole thing. The whole thing was up to you actually. And then you just want to mix everything together and make it hot. Wait till it gets hot, and then you can put in your cream cheese. And also, sorry, I keep crying in the background. It's because my daughter does not let me cook. She just wants my attention 24/7. But yeah, you just keep twirling it, mixing it. And you do put it on. I put it on 5, which is medium, right in the middle. And I just wait, and then I want to put my cream cheese in, because cream cheese is pretty hard to melt, so I'm gonna wait for it to get real hot. So I forgot, you need a pan. You can use any pan, so later on you can put everything in, and then you can bake it for like 10 minutes. But right now we're mixing, waiting for it to get hot. Okay, so after like 6 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this cream cheese in. Okay, so I'm gonna put this cream cheese in. Okay. I'm just gonna put it in. And then you're gonna wanna smash it into pieces so it can melt easily. And you just mix it around, just let it sit for a little bit, about, let's say about 5 minutes, You come back, you mix it again, make sure all the cream cheese melts, and then we'll add in the cheese. So actually, while you're waiting for the cream cheese to melt, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Just preheat it. Okay, so it's been like 6 minutes. So I'm just gonna turn it. Just make sure you just smash the cream cheese so it can melt. It's so hard to melt. Okay, so you just keep doing that until all the cream cheese is melted. So now what you want to do is turn the heat down a little. I'll turn it to like low, medium low. And then now you just want to add the cheese. So I'm just going to add half of this. You can buy the smaller bag. I have the 1 pound bag. You can get the smaller bag and just add I'm going to add like 3/4. The reason you want to add 3/4 is because the rest of the cheese will go on top. So now all the cheese is in there, you just want to mix it around and it's going to melt right into it. And you don't need no seasoning because the cheeses and the hot sauce and ranch all have so much flavor already. So when you eat this, it's going to be a lot of flavor already. But you can add it if you want, if it's to your liking. I used to work at Zaxby's and they'll add mayo as well. And then what you want to do is pour this into this. Pour it into this, and then you're gonna bake it for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's all poured in. I'm gonna add the rest of my cheese on top. Just gonna sprinkle it on top. I don't want a lot of cheese, so you just use however you want. My friend actually taught me this recipe, and she uses half the bag to mix in and then half of the bag on top. But I just don't want a lot of cheese. Okay, now it's like that, and you just want to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's in the oven. Just set the timer to 10 minutes. Okay. So I just took mine out. I took it at 6 minutes though, because I thought it was good enough. And that's it. So now I just wanna. Okay, and that's it, y'all. You can eat this with potato chips, whatever you want.
And I'm rolling, 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 rolling.